Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdequaem Chimthanawala. Today I'll discuss a very important polycrest remedy. I hope that you must have seen the skin series which I have done of Natramur, Sepia, Kali, and now I'll do skin symptom of Silicea. So whenever skin symptom of Silicea comes, we all know that Silicea is a very important remedy for suppuration and lot of skin conditions. But today I'll discuss Silicea symptoms of skin, some very important symptom which I found useful in my practice and I've confirmed a lot of time in my clinical practice. First of all, do remember, then when the abscess are very hard to mature, मतलब हिंदी में जैसे बोलते हैं हम abscess हो गया but पकते नहीं जल्दी, when they are hard to mature, think about Silicea. Of course, there are a lot of remedies. You can compare the remedies like Silicea is there, arsenic is there, hippursulf is there, mercury is there, belladonna is also there. But Silicea I found very useful when the abscess are hard to mature. Think about Silicea. Next very important symptom of Silicea is that cicatrices. When the cicatrices starts becoming malignant, a very important remedy you should never forget, that is Silicea. Because in Silicea, one more symptom in regard to cicatrices is that they are very painful and very stinging pain on the cicatrices, which I told you in the last YouTube video also of skin conditions. Do go and watch that video. So we have abscess which are difficult to mature or hard to mature. We have cicatrices which become malignant, and cicatrices which have painful and stinging pain. Same in relation to the eruptions and boils. When the eruptions or boils mature very slowly, you say the patient comes and tells you this boil has been for so many days, so many months, but it is not maturing also and it is not getting better also. In that case, think about Silicea. ऐसी पेशेंट आके बोलते हैं ना हमको कि भाई हमको एक छोटा फोड़ा हो गया, ये वैसी के वैसी है, ना बढ़ रहा है ना कम हो रहा है. तो जब हम उसको मैच्योर करते, दवा देने के बाद पकाते हैं, उसको डिस्चार्ज निकल जाता है, वो ठीक हो जाता है. दैट इज अ very important indication of Silicea. So eruptions, boil which are maturing slowly. Again, you can compare this with one of the very important remedies like sulfur is there, hippursulf is there. In fact, lycopodium is also there. So I'll next time maybe take the skin of lycopodium. These are very important polycrest remedies, so well proved that you should never miss out that organ symptoms of these remedies also. Then, in regards to boil, one symptom which I found very useful in Silicea is whenever you touch the boil, there is stinging pain. So boils touched causes stinging pain. This is a very important symptom of Silicea, and the patient will tell you, oh, don't touch it, it is very painful. So this is a very important indication of Silicea, and Silicea is a very important remedy for molluscum contagiosum, those white type of eruptions, and the patient comes and there is no treatment and the patient comes to you. Do think about Silicea, do think about sulfur, do think about calcarea, thuja, mercury, lycopodium. Molluscum contagiosum. Homeopathy has a very important and a very good role in treating molluscum contagiosum. A very interesting symptom of Silicea, you should always remember, there is formication in the skin. If the patient feels as if mouse is running. See, this is a very important. Now, whenever you have that mouse type of symptom, you think of simesifuga, no? But formication, as if the mouse is running under skin, think about nitric acid, think about sulfur, think about calcarea, carb, lycopodium, belladonna. And if you see, whenever I'm teaching you symptoms of a remedy, I'm giving comparative remedy. And see how close Silicea goes with sulfur and calcarea and mercury and belladonna. That's why sometimes we fail to appreciate the symptoms of Silicea. One of the very important symptoms of Silicea in relation to modalities, do write that in your notes, that whenever there is itching, it is better by bathing. And it is such an important symptom, better by bathing with hot water. That is Silicea. That is arsenic. So these two remedies I have found very useful when itching is there, and bathing, patient is better by bathing with hot water. In the same, you can always remember Silicea, that itching is better with warmth. Warmth ameliorates. So you can think about nitric acid, you can think about arsenic, you can think about hippursulf also. So these two symptoms are very important. Itching is better by hot by bathing, and itching better by or warmth ameliorates. I had a very interesting case that the patient was telling some symptoms and something was shining on the skin, and asked what was that, and the patient said that it's a wart which is very painful, hard, stiff and shiny. It was one wart on the palms and it was very stiff, hard and shiny. And immediately asked her what is shining, and the patient said it is a wart. And this is again a very, very important indication of Silicea. This is a very classical type of wart in Silicea. The warts are painful, hard, stiff and shiny. And I found exactly opposite condition of wart also in Silicea, that is warts soft. So soft wart is also Silicea, and the warts were are painful, hard and shiny. Shiny, remember the word shiny, that is a very important indication of Silicea. One more symptom I remember is worm. There is a sensation as if there are worms under the skin. So patient will be itching or pinching the skin, and you ask what is there? I feel the worms under the skin. That is also Silicea. So these are the very, very important indication of Silicea which I have seen in my day-to-day practice and confirmed in many of cases. So my dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.